Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is an exciting unboxing that I have from Paper Republic. Now, for all the YouTubers, people on YouTube and watching YouTube, these journals are a huge thing over on TikTok, okay, another platform. So, if you love travelers' notebooks and journals and you like the journaling ecosystem, then you're going to love this. Now, if you don't know anything about it, and you're like, well, what is that? So just stick with me. I do have a couple of small little short videos on my channel already about the journaling ecosystem, but I have some more on my Patreon, and it's free just to go watch those because I don't have any paid members at the moment. So you can go watch those for free, okay? And how you set it up and what you use it for. Essentially, it's just having different notebooks and journals. Well, really notebooks and journals, I guess you could say, set up, and each one is its own ecosystem, right? So you can have one for your life, you can have one for your work if you have that, you can have one for your business, and you can have one for whatever else you want. You can have a prayer journal or um journal for hobbies. Like there is so many different versions of why you could have different journals. And most people who don't do this really don't get it. They're like, well, why do you need so many? I don't need so many, I just want them, right? So I have currently four journals I'm working in, four ecosystems that are part of an entire ecosystem. And each traveler's notebook has 3 to 4 journals inside of them. Okay. So that's what the ecosystem is. And it's sort of your things that you, the things that you use to kind of keep your life, your business on track. Right. All right. Now, there is a story behind this. I did a huge order from TikTok Shop, right? Huge. And I was looking so forward to getting it. Well, they lost the order. I've been looking for like 2 weeks. Couldn't find it. So the woman gave me my money back. And I thought, well, I mean, I was a little sad. I was really sad about it because I had beads in there, y'all. I had some bags. I had boxes. I had a whole bunch of really cute stuff. Really cute stuff. And I'm so sad that it got delivered to the wrong address and the box didn't even have my name on it. I tracked it down through the post office. They said, well, it's not really your package because it doesn't have your name on it. Child, it was a mess. It's been a mess. So I said, well, look, forget it. So she finally gave me, the lady on TikTok gave me my money back. I thought, well, I've been wanting one of these and I'm feeling a little sad. So I might as well grab one. All right. So now let's get to it. All right. Now this came all the way from Vienna, Austria. Okay. Let's see here. It is from, Vienna, Austria. All right. The company is based in Austria, but I believe they have stores in the States. I believe they have a couple. I think they have a store in LA, here in LA, and I think they have one in New York where you can actually walk in and look at the journals and stuff. But I ordered off their website, and I did use a I follow people who use this brand, and they had coupon codes, so I got like 30% off my order. Okay. Now, let me just preface this by saying these are real leather journals and they're really pricey. Okay, so you don't need to buy this if you don't have the money. If you don't want to invest in it, that's completely up to you. I had the money, I wanted it, and I got it. Okay. So I wish I could tell you I felt bad about it, but I really don't. I felt bad that my TikTok order got lost. Oh my God. All right. So, here, let me take this out. Does it have some information on it? So just a second. All right. I'll put that aside. All right. Now this is how it comes. It came so nice. Well, it's upside down here. Let me take this. Let me move this box, y'all. Hold on just a second. Oh, it's such a big box. Now, I ordered the planner, the 2026 planner, because I have a hard time finding an A4 size, which is like 8.5 by 11 size planner, flat, without the rings and stuff on it. I really wanted one. And the ones I saw were, just not the right style for me. So I just grabbed this one. I have the coupon code and I used it. So this is really nice. And I like that it's big and you can write on, write in your big spaces and stuff like that. And it has notes. You can put your notes and stuff here. So I love that. This is a weekly. All right. They have weekly and monthlies. Again, these are pricey. So, don't feel like you gotta be pressured into doing this or, So, and then look at the little handwritten note from Vienna, Miss Elizabeth. Good, you're a part of our something. Our army. Army? more, I don't know, whatever that says. Miss Elizabeth, Paper Republic, Austria. I'm gonna put this in the journal. So cute, right? So cute. All right, let's open her up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my most expensive journal I've ever had. I have some pretty pricey art journals that I bought over the years, but this is probably something I'm gonna have for a very long time. So that's why I didn't care too much about, you know, investing in it, because I'm actually going to order another one. This comes in three sizes. It comes in like a passport size, like they call it XL, which is like, I don't know, like A4, A5 size, and then it's extra large. So I got the extra large. So I don't have one like this. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous. And look at it. It's got SG Creative. SG Creative, y'all. Oh my God. She's beautiful. Look at that. Paper Republic. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so rich. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my God. And these patina are really nice, y'all. They patina really, really, really nice. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. Look at her. She's beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is A4 size. Okay, and it came with one of the notebooks inside, a blank one. And that's it, really. So yeah, I mean, you can order, the little things to go with these, but I have some jewelry cord. You can also use jewelry cord on these journals too. If you can take it out, you can take them out and, change the color of the ribbons if you want to. All right. Now you can also, I can add my planner in this, which I plan on doing. And I have some composition notebooks I'm going to put in here as well. The thing about those B5s, y'all, the composition notebooks, just regular composition notebooks, is that a lot of them are hard to fit inside of these travelers notebooks because they're longer on this side, and I'm like, well, I don't particularly like the way that they hang off the side, so I'm gonna stick them in here. But look at how beautiful that is. So I just want to put that with the planner. Okay, I'm gonna make some journal jewelry for this and everything. So I'm so excited. I love her. Oh my God, this red is beautiful. This is going to be my creative. This planner I'm calling the studio. The engine is the engine part of my system, and this is going to be called the studio. The studio is where I have my creative ideas, projects. Currently working on projects coming up. I'm going to have my vision board in here, my vision board journal, and I'm going to have like a commonplace, another commonplace type journal. So I'm going to try to put 3 journals in here, but we'll see. I think I can probably fit 3 in there. Most people, when they do this, y'all, they have the thinner notebooks. They usually have, thicker, whatever, and they can put, multiple notebooks inside of here. All right. So I may have to add another strap in here because it only came with one. I believe. Yes, I believe it only came with one. So I'm going to have to add. No, it has 2. So that's perfect. So yeah, I can put 2 in here. Okay. So I'm going to do that. All right. So I just wanted to share my new Paper Republic notebook. I'm in love with it. So nice. So nice. Okay. Again, don't feel like you have to buy this, y'all. I just I just wanted it. Okay. I know nothing else other than that. And you get your initials on it, and you can have something else written down here, your name or whatever, but I just wanted my initials, Stephanie G Creative, because this is going to be my studio journal. All right. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Okay. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it down below. I'll answer and I'll get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.